on to me. You could bring your whole squad plus 3.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Imani Marie here. I know I have not been posting like I'm supposed to, but yeah, I'll fix all that in time. Just work with me and be happy for the videos I do give y'all, because your girl be busy. But I ain't gonna do all that talking. As y'all can tell by the title, let's get into this hair unboxing video. So your girl's birthday is in a couple of hours, so I decided, well, last minute I decided to do an unboxing video. But then I'm like, well, when I be on YouTube looking up hair and stuff like that, I be wanting to see how the hair look when they get it, but I dang sure be wanting to see how it look when they install it and, you know, play with it a little bit and stuff like that. So because it's your girl's birthday and I'm lit and I'm feeling good, I'm gonna do y'all a favor and I wanna do them together. So it's gonna be an unboxing / initial review with the hair that I will be reviewing with you all today. Yeah, I'm sorry, I feel full. I just got done eating. Like, I'm stuffed. I initially said, okay, I'm gonna make this video, but then I ate and I got tired and I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna make that video. Screw that. I need to buckle down, get back to how I used to on my YouTube channel. I got these ears on. I think they're on backwards for real. Right? Yep, they're on backwards, but who cares? I got these ears on because I didn't just want to come on here looking like a big man with my straight backs, even though my straight backs is crispy, real crispy. Thanks to my cousin's girlfriend. She hooked me up because I can't braid for a lick. I was like extremely excited to see the wig, so I wasn't going to be able to open it with you all. But don't worry, I didn't do nothing to it. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't nothing. I just looked at it and I set it down. So I'm going to show y'all what it came with, how it came, all that good stuff. So it came in this, of course. It just got your shipping label on there, you know, all that good stuff. And I got this hair from Rebourneehairco. I'll tag their name, their Instagram, and all that below for you all, of course. And it came with some 3D eyelashes. And I am, sorry y'all, my hands is probably ashy because I just washed them. But I'm really not a fan of like the lashes they send. So I just give them to my mom because I'm more of like a dramatic lash wearer, and these aren't it for me, but they're super cute for other people that it fits. Came in this bag. Super convenient storage for other wigs, because when you just ball your wig up and throw it somewhere and then you want to wear it again, it's stale as hell and it's just like napped up. Just put it back in here. Just put it back in here. It came with stocking caps, and this is more of my skin tone than beige, so yeah, I'm rocking with this because this is more of my skin tone than beige. I can put a little bit of foundation on it. That is it. It came FedEx. I did have a little bit of problems with the wig getting here, but I won't say that that's the company's fault. I really don't like FedEx, so yeah, that's me and FedEx personal beef, because I just don't like FedEx at all. From them sending my packages to people's houses up the street or next door, to saying that my package is coming today and then it's coming 2 days later. I don't like FedEx, so I wouldn't blame that on the company at all, but it did come through FedEx. I don't know if it's gonna always come through FedEx, but whatever. So this is the bag the wig came in. It's long as fuck. The wig details is on there, and this is a 13x6 Jerry curl wig. It's 32 inches, y'all. Yes, your girl was trying to pop out. I always wear curly hair. It's nothing new for me to wear curly hair or like deep wave hair, but I'll never get it that long. I get it like a 22 or 24. Last year I had I think like a 22, but it was a full lace wig, and it was fire. It was fire, but I was too excited and I over bleached the knots. Like, kind of forgot I left the bleach on there and went and did something else and forgot. So yeah, I had to definitely get another wig, but this time I just got a frontal wig because I'm not about to be pulling it up and all that. And I kind of didn't even like all the maintenance I had to do when it came to making sure the back was still down. Now for what y'all are looking for. Drum roll, please. Ta-da! This is the wig, y'all. Oh, this is the wig, y'all. This is the wig, y'all. Y'all, I was so scared this wig wasn't gonna come because FedEx was really playing with me, saying my wig was coming, it was coming, and it wasn't coming. I'll be sitting at the door like a little baby. I'm about to cry because my birthday is tomorrow on Thanksgiving, and I know it wasn't running on Thanksgiving. I'm supposed to be going out of town that next day, which is Friday, and I was panicking. I was really panicking. So thank God the wig came. So this is the wig. It is 150 density, I believe. The knots are not bleached, but this is how it looks on the inside. It has 3 combs, your lace, the hairline. It looked like they tried to give you a little hairline, but of course I'm going to go back in and pluck it a little bit depending on how it looks once I bleach the knots. It has a factory smell, but it's not bad at all. And I don't mind factory smells because I co-wash all my wigs. But it definitely does have a factory smell. I've been rubbing my hands through it since I picked it up. I'm getting some shedding, but nothing major. That could be just hair that's gonna fall off anyway from it being packaged up. That's like 3 strands, but y'all, shedding really don't bother me. But it has elastic bands on the back. This little tab on the back for if you want, you know, pull it up, which I never do. Let y'all see the hairline a little closer. If I can do it. So yeah. That's the hairline, y'all. Oh, is that really 32 inches? It looked like it, but it is curly hair, so it is like all shrunk up and all that. But when I put it on my head, we can do a length check. The ends ain't all nappy or scraggly. The hair is super soft. Sometimes you get curly wigs or deep wave wigs, it just be hecka crunchy, like real crunchy. It's not crunchy. It's not crunchy at all. Overall, unboxing review, I'm feeling this wig. I'm ready to slap it on my head. I'm sure y'all ready for me to slap it on my head. I don't like long drawn out videos at all. I like to get to the point, prove the facts, give y'all the facts. I'm about to slap this wig on my head and I'm gonna let y'all see how it really look. Bleach the knots, put some baby hairs up on this thing. Yes, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm so excited. So I'm finally done installing the wig, and I know I look completely different, and that is because this is the next day. I was too tired to install that wig and like really do what I was supposed to do with it and come back and let y'all see it. So I just decided to do it the next day. Better something than nothing. But this is how the finished look looks. Did little baby hairs. That's the length. This wig is 150 density. I feel like, I don't know, at first I was like, this is thin. But then when I wet it and then I look at it, it's not that thin. Maybe I'm just not used to wigs because I'm used to bundles and making my own wigs. So it's really not thin. I'm just used to a lot of freaking hair on my head. Overall, I do like the wig. I'm trying to hurry up and run some stuff down to y'all before I go because people are rushing me to come eat. I'm not sure if the shedding is because of all the bleaching and stuff or it sheds a lot, but it hasn't really been shedding a lot. But I didn't really bleach it long either, but I have been doing like hella plucking. So I don't know if that's why or not. If y'all like this wig, I will put exactly the name of the wig down in the description box below. And I will be coming back to you all very soon with another wig review. And yeah, I'm about to go enjoy my birthday. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You know you belong to me. You could bring your whole squad +3.